Hello and welcome to the Reputronomy podcast, the one-stop shop podcast for small business online reputation management. I'm your host, Jeffrey, and today we're kicking off our episode with an essential topic that serves as a foundation for online reputation management: your business website. Your website is not just an online presence. It's a vital gateway through which potential customers discover and evaluate your business. So, optimizing your website becomes paramount in shaping a positive and influential online reputation, but it's also crucial in understanding that today's digital landscape is all about your website and often the first impression that customers have of your brand. So sure, you can get by without a website, but remember, you're leaving a lot of credibility on the table, a lot of questions about your brand, and people don't find that inviting. So let's go ahead and dive into some of the tips that can make your website much more valuable to the consumer that's looking. First, user-friendly design. Now, you want to consider a clean and intuitive layout, clear menus, and logical organization of information. One of the key factors that can actually make or break a user's experience on your website is the design. User-friendly design ensures that users can navigate seamlessly, find what they're looking for quickly, and engage with your content effortlessly. Remember, to prioritize mobile responsiveness today is super important. It's actually a significant portion of the internet traffic that's happening today. Most of them are coming from mobile. So you want to provide a smooth yet enjoyable user experience by creating a positive impression that reflects your commitment to professionalism and customer satisfaction. The next tip, please create compelling content. You want to craft compelling and informative content that resonates with your target audience. But your website content is the driving force behind engaging visitors and establishing your expertise in your industry. So it is important, actually crucial, to develop a content strategy that aligns with your business goals and audience preferences. Incorporate relevant keywords such as search engine visibility, meta tags, but you want to avoid overstuffing your content. Too much content can now slow down your website. Too many pictures that are oversized can now really drop the responsiveness of your website and make things very hard to navigate. You want to utilize engaging headlines, captivating visuals, as well as multimedia elements to capture visitors' attention. Look, by delivering valuable and well-crafted content, you actually position yourself as a reliable resource. You're building trust and you're establishing credibility with your audience, to be honest with you. The next tip, clear contact information. So we went over how updating your Google My Business page with the name, address, and phone number are important. But remember, consistency across all platforms, especially on your website, there's like no question about it. Transparency and accessibility are vital components of a strong online reputation. And you want to make sure that your website actually represents you prominently and displays your contact information, which makes it easier for contacts to be made from visitors or prospective clients. And you want to include a dedicated Contact Us page that actually provides your business address, phone number, as well as email and ways they can contact you, follow you, social media, you name it. Live chat is an option. It's new. Supporter contact forums for immediate and convenient communication. They're valuable, but nothing beats having a dedicated contact page with a phone number and an email that people can reach out to directly. By doing this, you're actually demonstrating that you're readily available and you're also responsive to customer inquiries to help you build trust and encourage user engagement. The next tip, integrate social media. Social media actually, it brings a lot of value and they carry a lot of powerful tools for businesses to connect with their audience and actually amplify their online presence as a whole. So integrating social media buttons and links to your website or your YouTube playlist, it actually encourages visitors to engage with your brand on various platforms. And you want to make sure that it's consistent. So Your website is really good. Well, make sure your YouTube is good. Make sure your Facebook is good, your Twitter, LinkedIn, everything is aligned from images, text, wording, everything. Everything has to be consistent. And consider embedding live feeds, or testimonials from satisfied customers. You want to showcase a positive experience that others have had with your business. And this integration not only strengthens your online reputation, it fosters a sense of community and social proof. People love it. And the last tip, regular updates and maintenance. A neglected or outdated website, it can significantly undermine your reputation. To actually maintain a positive image and engage your audience effectively, you want to make regular updates and perform routine maintenance tasks. So publish fresh and relevant content regularly. Create a blog post, articles, news updates. You want to keep visitors engaged and informed. You want to ensure that all links, forms, and interactive features are in working order, as broken elements can frustrate and discourage customers very quickly. Dedicate resources to monitor and improve your website's performance. Add security. Improve the load speed. By demonstrating your commitment to keeping your online presence up to date, you're conveying professionalism. This is the trustworthiness people are looking for when they are looking to build relationships online, especially when they are at the awareness stage and trying to learn more about your business. By implementing these 5 steps, you're actually laying a solid foundation for your online reputation through the business website. Remember, your website is more than just an online brochure. It's in fact a dynamic representation of your brand values, a commitment to customer satisfaction, an investment in optimizing the experience for the potential customer and learning more and doing business with you. That concludes today's episode. If you found these tips and strategies valuable, but would like to save some time to ensure consistency in monitoring, managing, and maintaining your reputation, visit www.reputronomy.com. Book some time with us. We'd like to learn more about your business. But until next time, as always, take these tips and tricks, implement them, but most importantly, be safe.